Hey there, today I'm going to talk to you about closing costs. This is a question I get extremely often from both buyers and sellers. This is going to go over more related to what buyers' closing costs are going to be, but there are 4 specific groups that I want to discuss with you today. And the first one is origination fees, and this is pretty exclusive to the buyer only. So origination fees are typically charged by the lender, and that's for processing the application, underwriting the loan, all of the things that are entailed there, and usually ranges from about 0.5% to 1% of the loan amount. So not the purchase price, but the loan amount that's actually being taken out on the property. This second group of fees you're gonna see is service charges. Lots of service charges. This can be appraisal fees, credit report, flood determination and certification, tax status, title search and insurance, survey fees, lots in this group of fees here. I see appraisals and survey fees starting around $300 and going up from there, sometimes as high as $750 or even more, typically for like a VA or FHA loan. And title services typically range about $2,000, so you can factor that in. Third group is going to be transfer taxes and recording fees. Now in the Sacramento area, we do have both county transfers fees and city transfer fees, and it depends completely on the city. So some cities don't have any at all, some have higher percentages than others, so I can't really go over those exact amounts for you. However, do expect to have those. Another thing standard in our market is for the buyer to ask the seller to pay those. That can be negotiated. Obviously, in a counteroffer, the seller may come back and ask to split those fees or have the buyer pay for them outright. But I know when I write an offer for a buyer, I always ask the seller to pay those fees just to save the buyer a little money on closing costs. And finally, the fourth is escrow items. So this is gonna be your homeowner's insurance and property taxes that need to be paid up front. Those are part of your closing costs. And then also mortgage insurance when applicable. And that's typically going to be applied if you're doing a loan that is, or if you're putting down less than 20%. If you have any questions about closing costs, escrow and title insurance, I'm happy to share my knowledge with you. And as always, if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate this year, I would love the opportunity to show you how I can help. Hope to talk to you soon.